Hey my friends, in today's video what I want to do is I want to show you how to purchase a domain name, how easy it is, and how then you can redirect it to any offer that you want. And people who are professional marketers or are looking to make money online do this all the time because you can find nicer looking domain names or shorter domain names that are easier to read for people. And like you can see on my screen right now, you see a meme that I posted, which is even monkeys can do it. Post you some memes and make you some money. Learn how the monkeys do it at richardweberg.com. Now that's one of the domain names I own, and you should always try to own your own name as a domain name. And you can purchase a domain name for like $15 a year, and then you can redirect it to any affiliate link that you want. So you can also do that, like when you're emailing your list, you can use your own domain name and have it redirect to the affiliate offer that you are promoting, because you will also get better deliverability and open rate in your emails if it is your own domain name that isn't used by masses of people. So what I mean is, if you've joined an affiliate program and you're building your email list and you're promoting XYZ program and everybody has an affiliate link, so you're using your lead capture page and you're getting traffic and you're getting leads in your autoresponder, and you go and send a broadcast message or a follow-up email to those leads now about the affiliate program, so are all the other affiliates, and they're using their main affiliate link that they're given by the company. So what you can do is purchase your own domain name like richardweberg.com, or any kind of phrase, shorter phrase. A friend of mine just put out a domain name, Terry Lynn Clear. I'll show you one that she did, which is enjoygettingpaid.com. See, now she can redirect this to any offer that she wants as well. She happens to be redirecting this right now to Meme Secrets, which we are all promoting. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. Once you purchase a domain name, I'm going to show you how easy it is then to redirect to whatever you want. So the first step is, of course, you can go to any domain register like GoDaddy.com. And then what you're going to do is you're going to search for a domain right here where it says search domain. So I already have a couple picked out that I want to search for, and I'm going to grab this one right here, Me Money Secrets, and come back here. I'm going to search to see if it's available. So I'm going to put that in there, and you type it all as one word, whatever you're looking for as a domain name. And then, so if it was your name and you want to buy your own name as a domain name, which I recommend for everybody as long as it's available. I happen to have a very obscure name, Richard Weberg. There's not a lot of people in this country or world that have the name Richard Weberg, so there wasn't a lot of people buying it. It was easy to get my own domain name, because of course if it's already bought, then you can't purchase it. So when you click on search domain, and now it says it's available. See this right here? So that means it's available for purchase. And a lot of times, if it's not, or a lot of times they will give you other variations down here, like Me Money Secrets. And that's what I have right now, Me Money Secrets. But this time they took off the S. See, they give you different variations down here. If it isn't available, they do the same thing. So maybe you have some other choices that you like because it's already been bought. So we're going to go ahead, Me Money Secrets. I'm going to add this to my cart. So I'm going to add to my cart. Okay. And you can see you can get a discount. You buy it for a longer time, but I'm going to change that to 1 year. And now it's only going to be $11.99. It'll renew the next year at $17.99. So now I'm going to continue shopping because I happen to have another one that I want to purchase. And it's Meme Secrets. So I'm going to take that, go to GoDaddy, because I've already typed these out. I already did some searching so that I wouldn't be on this video forever. And I'm going to paste that in there. And now I'm going to search. And it's available. So I'm going to add that to the cart just by clicking add to cart. Again, I'm going to change that to 1 year over here because I only want to purchase them for 1 year because I don't know if I want to keep these or not. Now, other times a domain name that's not so specific, like my own name, I might purchase that for a longer period of time because I want to keep that domain name forever. But in this case, it'll renew every year anyway, or I'll decide to cancel it. But for right now, I can literally buy these 2 domain names for like 25 bucks. So we're going to do that. I'm going to continue to my cart. So now I'm just going to continue to the cart. And it's brought us to the cart now. And it's trying to add some other stuff here. I'm not going to add all this stuff. So if you're presented with this like I did once I got continued to cart, I'm going to click on no thanks because we just want to redirect these domains. If I was going to build something on these domains, like a full-blown website or something like that, I might choose some of this stuff, but we're not. In this video, I'm showing you just how to use a domain name, register it, and redirect it to any affiliate offer you want, including Meme Secrets. So now we're going to put no thanks. We're going to scroll down here. We're not going to buy none of these other stuff. Okay, so we're just going to continue to cart again over here on the right. And here we got the 2 domain names. I'm going to change this. It popped it back to 2 years, only 1. Pop this one to 1 year because I only want 1 year. Like I said, if I was buying a domain for something that I knew I was going to keep forever and ever, this I could, but I just want the option to renew it after 1 year. And these are going to be redirected domains. So now you can see, $23.98. That would be billed yearly. And now we're going to click on checkout. And I already have an account. So here you would either sign in using your Facebook or Google, or you can create an account and create your email, username, and password, create account. I already have one, so I'm going to click on sign in. And then what I'm going to do is type in my customer number. And my password. And then sign in. Now, I'm going to proceed to payment, and I'm not going to share with you this whole process because I don't want to share any of my details or what I'm using exactly. And then we will skip to redirecting after I complete payment. In a sec, we'll log back in and redirect the domain name once you have it purchased. So now what we're going to do is redirect the domain name that you bought to the Meme Secrets affiliate program. So now what we want to do is when you're in your GoDaddy account, I'm sure you have logged in by now and purchased your domain name. So you just look for your name up here in the right-hand top corner. If you're not already in your back office, and you click on this anyway, even if you are, and go to My Products. And once on My Products, what you want to do is scroll down and you can see your domain name. See, domains, got 3 of them right here. And what I want to do now is redirect. So whatever domain name you have bought, you can redirect to whatever affiliate program you want. But we bought these domains specifically for promoting Meme Secrets. And so we are going to redirect one of these right now. So it's very easy to do. You scroll down to the domain name like we just did, and you just click on connect to an existing site right here. So all you do is click on that. And once you have, you scroll down and then forward to any site. You would put it in here. So I'm going to go get my affiliate link for Meme Secrets. And you get an email when you sign up to Meme Secrets. So if you haven't signed up to Meme Secrets yet through us, make sure you do. I'll leave a link to Meme Secrets below this video, and or in an email that I send out to everybody. and make sure you join Meme Secrets. Right now they have a special to join annually for very little cost, and this affiliate program, is absolutely exploding because people absolutely love memes, and it's so easy to make money with Meme Secrets. So you left click drag, copy the exact URL just like that, and right click and copy, or you can do Control C for copy. And that means you hit Control and C on your computer at the same time for copy, or to paste, Control and V you hit at the same time, or you can copy from up in your web browser if you have like I do here, or like I said, right click on and copy. So now we're going to go back to GoDaddy and we're going to paste this in here. So let me make sure and go with my left arrow key all the way over, make sure I didn't copy any extra space, and I didn't. Then all you're going to do is click on Next. Then confirm this is how you want your domain to redirect. Goes to memesecrets.com. They'll be redirected to this link. And let's check out these advanced options. Permanent or 302, forward only, that's all you want. So we're going to do this right now. We're not going to change any of this. We're just going to click Finish. And that is it. Memesecrets.com, I just forwarded to the Meme Secrets affiliate program because I bought a domain name that was available, which was Memes Secrets, and it's really close to the domain name, but I also bought memoney-secrets.com, which I'm going to forward as well. And, you know, any time you're promoting affiliate program, you can literally buy a domain name for, like we did, for like $15 a year, and you can redirect it to any affiliate offer so it looks better. It's got its own link. And like I said, you can buy any domain name that's available, any catchy phrase like I showed you earlier in this video, and then you're free to do what we are doing with Meme Secrets for launching the founders positions in the beginning of Meme Secrets. Is we make an image like this, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to make images like this, because this is really easy. And when you become a member of Meme Secrets anyway, there's going to be, you have another back office for the product, and you will get all kinds of guidance there as well. We just go above and beyond and always want to help out everybody that signs up with us, because we want to show you what we do, because we make money all the time. We make money every single day, a lot of times thousands of dollars a day. And how we do it is through these videos. I share everything we do step by step. And so I'm showing you how we do Meme Secrets and how we redirect domains. We do it all the time. And we a lot of times send these links and emails then, because they are only we are sending them. That increases deliverability and open rate. And then you can make an image like this where you put some text on it, and somebody can see the short, easy domain name, and they can literally just type it in their browser and go find that. And you can post images like this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, wherever. And I do this every day. It takes me like 5 minutes. I create an image, put my link on it in text, and then I go and I post an image. And anybody watching this video knows how to post an image on their social networks. And that's how you can share this and make money at the same time. It's a hell of a lot of fun. And in the next video, like I said, I will show you how to create these images. Other than that, my friends, we will see you in the next video. Oh, one last thing before I close this out, and I almost closed it out, is this could take up to 30 minutes before it starts redirecting your domain name. So you want to test it. So I'm going to copy this link. Again, I just highlighted it and actually accidentally just clicked on it. But I'm just going to highlight it, right click on it, and I'm going to go see right now by opening another tab and hit that plus button, paste it in here, and see if it's already redirected. And it is. It's already redirected. So other than that, my friends, we will see you on the next video, and I will show you how to make those images.